नहीं नहीं, कोई प्रिविलेज मोशन नहीं है। मैंने एक सब्सटेंसिव मोशन दिया है, क्योंकि किसी एमपी के खिलाफ यदि कोई आरोप लगाते हैं, मैं उनकी तरह जो है नियम कानून का हत्या करने वाला आदमी नहीं हूँ, या उनकी तरह दादागिरी से जो है ये संविधान नहीं चलाने की बात है। मैंने एक सब्सटेंसिव मोशन दिया है, उसमें मैंने जिक्र किया है कि कैसे ये सोरोस फाउंडेशन के साथ, फोर्ड फाउंडेशन के साथ, यूएसएड के साथ मिलकर थाईलैंड जाते हैं, कंबोडिया जाते हैं, वियतनाम जाते हैं, यूएस जाते हैं, भारत विरोधी ताकतों के साथ किस तरह से मिले हुए रहते हैं। इनकी सदस्यता भी रद्द हो और इनको जिंदगी भर के लिए चुनाव लड़ने के लिए डिबार भी कर दिया जाए।
That you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India? Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is, I know. The interesting thing is that I know that the Prime Minister would not sell India under normal circumstances. He will not do it. You know why he sold India? Because they are choking him.
Mr. Rahul, address to the chair, please.
He has sold India because they are choking him. They've got a grip on his neck.
We are going to file a notice, privilege notice, against Sri Rahul Gandhi for misleading the House and also making baseless statement. There is a very clear-cut rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. When a member intends to make serious charges of allegation against another member, then you have to make a notice and also substantiate the allegation. So I have on the floor of the House requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to make necessary authentication of the those points he has made. There is a very clear-cut rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. When a member intends to make serious charges of allegation against another member, then you have to make a notice and also substantiate the allegation. So I have on the floor of the House requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to make necessary authentication of the those points he has made. Number one, Sri Rahul Gandhi has made useless and false allegation against the government, against the Prime Minister, saying that Prime Minister has sold India in Indian interest. On what basis? Secondly, he took the name of the senior minister, Hardeep Singh Puri. He has made a serious allegation against Hardeep Singh Puri without giving any notice. It is a serious breach of privilege. We are going to file necessary notice to the Honorable Speaker. Another important point which I want to make it very clear is, during the intervention on the budget discussion, the leader of the opposition did not make any proper, useful, substantive contribution to the budget discussion. He was only making wild allegation. So I told him, while he is making allegation, please present in the House when the finance minister replies on the discussion on budget at 5 p.m. today. He broke the rule there itself. After his speech, he immediately went out of the House.
Is privilege is that's the code word for today? Is that the word that you people have been given for today? Let me go. Is that the code word? You should tell me the code word in advance.
This is yet another attempt to try to muscle the opposition. Whatever the leader of the opposition spoke, he only spoke based on publicly available information, and that information can be easily authenticated.
क्या क्या करेंगे? प्रिविलेज नोटिस, एफआईआर, तमाम केस, ये सब क्या क्या करेंगे? करने दीजिए, राहुल जी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता।